Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you guys on how to do this very cool glitch effect that you see in the beginning of this video. So as you can see, this is a very normal clip of a rabbit doll floating on something that's on the pool. Anyway, let's begin. So you press Option and drag the clip upwards and go to the effects column and type mask. As you can see, there are a lot of masks. I'm just gonna use draw mask. So after you drag draw mask to the clip, you can see there's a pen showing on the screen, and then you just draw the outline of the rabbit and the cushion. So after that, go back to the start and click keyframes for transformation position, rotation, scale and control point, and then press right arrow key and to start your frame by frame adjustment for this draw mask. And I know it's a very tedious process and it's very boring, so I'm gonna show you guys a shortcut. So basically, you just enlarge the scale to a little bit over the size of the actual rabbit and the cushion and adjust the points, the control points, something like this. Very simple. And this is not finished actually. We're gonna adjust it again, but it's roughly looking like this. And then we add another effect from the effects column called Bad TV. Yep. And then after you drag Bad TV to the clip, go to the inspector, hide draw mask, go to Bad TV, click on this button here and show add color mask, and then when this thing appears, you just go to the screen and select the colors you want. For this case, only the pink of the rabbit and slightly on the yellow cushion. That's the color that I want, and you can see that it's slightly glitchy. However, the effects are out of the place for some part, so we have to do some slight adjustments again on the draw mask. But since it's a very big mask, so you don't have to do a very precise draw mask on the control points. And since we've only selected these colors, and it's not going to affect the other colors like the pool, like the water and the background, the green part of the background actually. So after everything is sort of done, you can change the static type to TV static and change the amount. And then if you want, you can always add another effect called prism. Yep, I always use it. It's awesome. And just drag it onto the clip and you can see that it's having a layer outside of the rabbit. So I'm gonna add another color mask, and yeah, just select the color. My computer is a little bit laggy, so bear with me. And after I've already selected the color like just now, I can always change the angle, change the softness, change the amount, whatever you want, and it's looking kind of cool. And you can always adjust the draw mask again if you want, because you can see that sometimes the effects is not very neat. And of course, for the best overall outcome, you just have a very precise draw mask, but to save time, I'm not going to do it. And here comes the secret recipe. I'm gonna add in one more effect called hue and saturation. Go back to the start of the clip and then create around 4 or 5 or even more, depending on your like, for keyframes of hue. And then when you go around the clip, you can still see and check the draw mask and the effects. You can always readjust the draw mask. And then after that, right click on the upper clip and then select show animation. And you can see that all the keyframes are there. So what we're gonna do is to have something different for every in-between keyframes actually. So it's like for every keyframe, the color will come back to normal, and for every in-between keyframe, the colors will change to another color actually. So it's going to have a rapid changing color from the start of the clip to the end of the clip, and you can adjust on all different colors And you can even change the saturation and value if you want. But in this case, I didn't really bother with it. And after I've adjusted, it looks something like this. Yep, the effect is still looking out of the place. So I'm gonna add another color mask on hue and saturation. Yep, it's just repeating the steps as for Bat TV and Prism. Just select the colors, the pink and yellow, and then voila, it looks good. But to make it an even more glitchy one, you can always cut the upper clip into few portions and delete some of it, so it will bring out the maximum effect for glitch, because sometimes the clip is glitchy, sometimes it's not. It's looking very cool. And that's all for today's video. It's a very short clip. It's a very easy, very simple glitch effect tutorial. Hope you guys like it, and please check out my channel and subscribe if you haven't. And bye bye.